everybody, it's Coach Johnny with Let's Learn Muay Thai. Today we're at my home gym, X3 Sports in Atlanta, Georgia. We are going to learn first the oblique kick. As you can see, I'm turning my foot outward and it's similar to a low foot stomp. Let's take a look at it from the side. So from here, rear foot comes forward, almost like stepping on the gas. This is called an oblique kick. It's a great stopping kick. Good. Now let's add some more techniques to the combo. Starting off with this oblique kick. As it comes back, come forward with the right punch. Again, oblique, right punch. From the side, oblique, right hand punch or rear hand punch. Good. Let's build that combo. Now let's change that punch into a Superman punch. So from here, Superman punch, step forward. Again, start off with the oblique kick. To a Superman, step forward, throw the body kick. Let's try that again. Oblique, Superman, step forward, aim for the body. This is a great kick to aim for the liver, especially when you're kicking from the left side. Bang. Good. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, subscribe. See ya.